Let's continue it. Uh, Python for AWS data engineering. In that, let's continue. Next important topic is flow control statements in Python. First, let's understand introduction of Python flow control statements. Then we are going to discuss why flow control statements. Then we are going to discuss types of flow control statements in Python. First, let's understand Python flow control statements introduction. Let's say we are writing Python program. This is my Python program. Here we have multiple statements. Let's say n number of statements. When I run this Python program using, let's say, Python space program one, tell me how it is going to execute. Program one.py, how it is going to execute. No, I am asking you. So it will tell me how it is going to execute. Top to bottom. Top to bottom. It will start executing first statement, second statement, third statement, and next statement, and nth statement. In this way, it will execute statement by statement. But my requirement is, I want to execute this statement when condition is true. When condition is true. I want to execute this statement when condition is false. I want to execute these statements 10 times or 20 times. 10 times or 20 times or until condition become false, I want to execute these statements. Like this, I want to control the flow of a program. So we go with flow control statements. Flow control statements can be used to control your program based on condition. Until the condition, if you want to execute some statements repeatedly, then you can go with the flow control statements. Without a flow control statement, what happens? It will execute a statement from top to bottom, all the statements. Statement by statement, it will execute until nth statement, it will execute all statements without flow control statements. With the flow control statement, you can control your program. So, flow control statements. What is the purpose of flow control statement? To control the flow of a program, then we use flow control statements. Then now let's understand what are different types of flow control statements available. Python having 3 types of flow control statements. First category, conditional control statements. Conditional control statements. If condition is true, execute some statements. If condition is false, execute some statements. So these kind of conditions we can put inside your program. Conditional control statements. Second one, iterative statements. Iterative statements. I am going to write a condition. If this condition is true, execute these statements. I want these statements until condition become false. I want to repeatedly execute these statements. If condition false, go out of loop. So for this, we have for while conditional control statements, we have if else, if else ladder for conditional control. Iterative purpose, we have for and while. And next type of control statement is transfer control statements. Let's say uh, these transfer control statements we use inside a looping statement. Inside a looping, we use this transfer control statements. Transfer maybe inside for or maybe inside while. So within looping, we use this transfer control statements. Okay. Inside this, we use with condition. We use with condition. This transfer control statements we use within the loop with condition statement. If this condition is true, break. If this condition is true, continue. Such kind of statements we use inside a looping. Practically, we are going to see what is break, what is continue. Break and continue we use inside a looping with condition. Okay. So these are three types of control statements. These are three types of control statements in Python. Okay.